Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kelly Michelle. If you'd like to see how I created this look, including how I refresh my hair, just keep watching.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick get ready with me. I'm gonna start by starting with my skin, but I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my face first, then get to my hair. With my face, to start my face, I'm gonna use this hyaluronic acid because as you can see my skin looks dehydrated, and I got this hyaluronic acid at the at Marshall's. You can find it at Marshall's or TJ Maxx or wherever. Mine is almost done because I use it a lot, and I got it for $6. Face and just work it in with your fingers, real simple. And this is a collagen that I use on my skin. I also got it at TJ Maxx, and it was about the same price for it. And it's gold, and I just pour it on my fingers and put it on my skin, work it in. And you want to work this product down your neck and your face. This is completed. I'm going to go straight ahead with getting my hair together. Now my hair has been in a 2-strand twist for the last 7 days, and as you can see it's kind of like matted and old now. If you want me to show you how I do a first day, a whole week 2-strand twist, I will do that video. But what I normally do is I'll get, this is just water, and don't mind the bottle. It's just pure H2O water, and I spritz my hair with it just because as I said, I've been wearing this style for the last 7 days, a week. And as I told you, this is a very quick get ready with me. So that is completed. I am going to take my gel, professional gel, this is what I use, and I just rub it in to my hair. And I use 2 gels. This, I like this because it, I don't know why really I use 2 gels, but I do use 2 gels. Then I'm just gonna get my regular brush and just brush my hair in up. I'm gonna go in with some more water, just spritz it down. Then I go in with my Gorilla Snot, the yellow one, just for my edges. And this I use a small amount. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. My hair ties. Now this is a regular ouchless hairband or hairband. This is what they're going to be looking like after you use them for a few. So I have 2 that I use, but for both of them I put knots in them so that they fit my head. There we go. That's one. Then I go in with the second one. Why? There's no rhyme or reason why I use 2. I just use 2 because I like using 2. Really. And then I just continue to fluff my hair until I get the desired shape. This is an old braid out, as I said, but could still go another day. And then after that I just do a little cosmetics by adding a little bit more gel for my edges. And that is that. And to mold it and make sure it's all together, I use my tie head and just tie it for until I'm done with my face.
Now it's time for me to, now I'm gonna fill out my eyebrows by outlining the bottom and then going on top to create a shape, after which I am going to clean it up with my concealer. Now guys, for the top of my brows, I will be using my actual foundation foundation shade, which will prevent me from having
Now
halo
I'm gonna take a
brows.
blending brush and just blend out the edges of the concealer that I used to clean up my brows. I'm gonna go in and base my eyelids with this black opal honey concealer, and I'm taking it on my finger, just blending it in. I'm gonna bring the concealer down to cover my dark circles because I am honestly under the weather, but alas, we are pulling through. So just to get rid of the dark circles around my eyes, I'm pulling that concealer
This
down.
is the palette I'll be using today. It's called Royal Affair from BH Cosmetics, and I will be taking the shade Emperor to pack on my
I won't be doing any
lids.
lashes or anything in this video because this is a everyday look.
Palette, I'll be taking this shade called Duchess to pack in my outer crease,
and just sweep it into my crease itself on both sides. Really simple look, a little depth. Emperor to soften out the brown.
After blending that completely out, we're going to take this kind of gold green shadow to pack on the lid.
I don't think this look is giving this palette. Ooh, gosh, this is really nice. This color really showed up. It showed up to work. Guys, I am really sorry for the noise. I might just do a voiceover.
After packing that shadow onto the lid, I am going to go in with my brush and blend the colors together. See, now it's time for foundation. I'm just gonna go through this quickly.
The shade is a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, but I'll bring it down. This is actually my actual summer shades foundation. I'm just gonna use it under my eye for concealer because I am pressed for time and I don't know where my concealer is, the one that I normally use to conceal. I normally use fawn, then go on top of my fawn with this Ruby Kisses on top of it, but I can't find my fawn, so I'm just using my regular foundation. And I'm gonna blend this out with a sponge, a wedge, just to lighten it up a little. My Ruby Kisses, because it's what I do. Go over it with my regular foundation brush and just, there we go. Now that's completed, I am gonna set the face with this pressed powder from Maybelline pressed powder under my eye. Just to set the concealer under my eye. I'm gonna go in with my Iman powder and set the rest of my face. Now it's time to contour. I'm going to use this Nika K Duo Contour and just do a light contour. Because my hair is up, so I have gained a little weight, which is okay. I'm not one of those people who cry over gaining weight. But I do want to do a little contour. I'm just going to use the brush to go down my nose. And this highlight from Wet n Wild, Make It Glow.
To finish up the eyes, I am going to use Duchess and Emperor to go under my lower lid to finish up the entire look.
Time to spray my face out. Now time for my lip. I'm going to use my regular chestnut from NYX to outline my lip. And I'm going to use two CoverGirl lipstick today. Paradise Lust and Current Nude. So Paradise Lust and Current Nude from CoverGirl. I'm going to outline my lip with Paradise Lust. And put Pouting Nude in the center of it. And now, since I'm not wearing any falsies today, I'm just going to use my double stack mascara from NYX and coat my lashes.
Guys, this is it. This is the finished look.
Looks like it's a everyday beat. It's not a full beat, and I have to go. Sorry for the rush, but I have to go. But this is what it looks like. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe, share, and if there's any questions, leave it in the comment section. And if you have any criticism, as I said, they're always welcome. Constructive criticisms, they're always welcome. And I'll see you. Bye. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are. Emperor, Duchess, and Emperor.